Welcome to Analysis Prime University. My name is Michael Quinn, and I am a Senior Analytics Training Consultant with Analysis Prime University. Thresholds can be used to provide visual cues for your information so that you can quickly see what areas are doing well, what areas may need improvements, and what areas may need immediate attention. In this tutorial, you will learn how to access conditional formatting for a chart within a story, how to create thresholds to compare a specific measure to a fixed range, and how to add a reference line to a chart to display the average value over time. I need to make sure that I am in edit mode, and then in the toolbar, if it's not showing, it might be under more, select conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting panel, under Story Defined, you will see thresholds. Select Add Threshold. Now we're going to create the threshold. The measure that we're going to select is current assets, and you can do a search for that. And you can see the model that I'm using, TO1 primary. What we're going to do is for our green or our OK box, under the minimum value, I'm going to put 300 million. I'm going to select Add Range, and it will give me the warning. And for this, I'm going to do the range from 200 million to 300 million. I'm going to add the critical range. And what I'm going to do is I am going to leave the minimum box empty, and then for maximum, 200,000. The reason that I am leaving the minimum empty is if for any reason this value were less than 0, now it will be captured. Click on the Apply button and click Done. So you've now created story-defined thresholds to allow for a quick view to understand how current assets have performed over time. The next step is to show the thresholds as part of a chart. So what we will do is we're going to add a reference line as well to show the average over time. To create the reference line, select the ellipsis, choose Add, and select Reference Line. We're going to have this be dynamic, and then in the aggregation field, we are going to use average. For our measure, we're going to use the current assets. And then I want to label the value, so I'm going to label it average. And then I'm going to press OK. So you can now see that we've created the average reference line as well as having our thresholds in place. In this tutorial, we covered how to access conditional formatting for a chart within a story, how to create thresholds to compare a specific measure to a fixed range, and how to add a reference line to a chart to display the average value over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click the like button below. You can also view our growing catalog of self-paced courses, tutorials, webinars, and join the community forum by creating your free account at analysisprimeuniversity.com.